Madam Kavitha ji should have defended her father's record of 10 years what they have done. You are in power for 10 years, you are not able to defend what you have done. Pallavaram project is more like a ATM of the KCRG's family. We have seen it. A lot of allegations. We are seeing it what is inside. We don't come from a Jamindari family. We don't come from family where son is a minister, daughter is a MLC, and one nephew is a Rajya Sabha MP, another nephew is Maharashtra TRS in charge. We don't come like that.
You are saying that we are corrupt. Pallavaram is not in Telangana, it's in Andhra, but our particular project was completed in 3.5 years. Today it is giving water to 73 lakh acres. Can you do it? And I'll tell you this categorically, my leader, my father, what he has done for my state, Telangana, your party can never do that to in India in 100 Janams also. Because we worked categorically, we worked honestly. That is why people elected us twice. And we are going back for the third term, we will certainly get elected again. And I'll just leave the audience with simple thought that if it is not crony capitalism, how did you waive off 12 lakh crores debt of corporates, whereas you will not even speak about farm loan waiver? Why can't you waive off the farmer's loan, but why will you waive off the corporate loans? And then how can you say that it is? And you tell me today, did you not capture the Cricket Association of India today? Is it just because one person is a cricketer? No, one person belongs to a certain party who's of a powerful leader's son. So what are you talking about family rule? You have just taken Scindia ji into your party. You have broken the Madhya Pradesh government. You were here in alliance with DMK. That time you don't remember DMK was a family rule party. You were in alliance with Uddhav Thackeray. That time you don't remember it is. Your Andhra Pradesh BJP chief is N.T. Ramarao's daughter. Then you don't remember. So when it suits you, you talk about family, legacy. When it suits you, you talk about being very non-corrupt, non-free. See, this is not fair. So when you are talking about issues, might as well talk about them in a very objective manner. We are speaking of development. South India, BJP will get 0 seats. We will work for it because South India demands numbers. South India demands projects. Thank you.
All right.